installing a new faucet. Upgrading to a pull-down faucet is a great way to improve style and functionality in your kitchen. Tools and supplies you'll need include your new pull-down faucet from Koyman, an adjustable wrench, a socket wrench, basin wrench, Teflon tape, a bucket and some towels, and a work light.
Koyman has a wide selection of kitchen faucets to choose from. I went to the Koyman website and found the perfect option, making sure it was compatible with the configuration of my sink.
To get the installation started, we need to make sure we shut off the water supply. Locate the hot and cold valves under the sink. Turn them to shut off the water flow. Next, place a bucket under the sink to catch any dripping water. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the supply lines. Loosen and remove the mounting nut holding the old faucet in place and disconnect the old faucet.
Be sure to check the manual to make sure all the steps are covered.
Now, we're ready to secure the new faucet to the sink. Insert the faucet through the sink hole. From underneath, tighten the mounting nut to secure the faucet in place. With the new faucet securely installed, we can now reconnect the water supply lines. Attach the hot and cold lines to the respective shut-off valves. Tighten with a wrench, taking care to avoid over-tightening.
As a last step, we need to test for leaks and proper functionality.
Turn the shut-off valves back on. Slowly turn on the faucet and check for leaks. Test the pull-down sprayer to ensure it retracts properly.
The new faucet is fantastic. Our family is gonna love it.